Ever feel like your Ford is hiding something from you? I'm RJ, and after 20 plus years fixing Fords, I can tell you most drivers are leaving powerful factory features completely unused. These aren't hacks or mods, they're built-in functions that can save you money, make daily driving easier, and even get you out of trouble when things go wrong. Let's kick things off with a feature that's a game changer for anyone who idles a lot and uses their Ford for work: the built-in engine hour meter. Most modern Fords, especially F-150s, Super Duties, and even some Explorers, let you check not just your mileage, but how many hours the engine has actually run, and how many of those hours were spent idling. Why does this matter? Because idling racks up wear and tear just like driving, but it doesn't show up on the odometer. If you're using your truck for job sites, deliveries, or just spend a lot of time waiting in the cab, you might be surprised to find you've got the engine hours of a 300,000-mile truck on a 100,000-mile odometer. Knowing your engine and idle hours helps you plan oil changes, maintenance, and even resale value more accurately. You can usually find this info in the vehicle settings or on the digital dash. Just dig into the info or settings menu. If you tow, you know how much of a hassle it can be to dial in your trailer brakes every time you hook up. Ford's factory trailer brake controller doesn't just let you adjust gain on the fly, it actually remembers your settings for different trailers. Plug in your camper, boat, or utility trailer, and the truck recalls the last used gain setting for that specific trailer profile. This means you get consistent, safe braking every time without fiddling with the controls. It's a small thing, but it's the kind of detail that makes Ford trucks a favorite for folks who tow regularly. Most folks know about Ford's capless fuel filter. No more lost gas caps or dirty hands. But what almost nobody realizes is that this system also includes a built-in anti-siphon mechanism. That means it's nearly impossible for someone to steal your gas with a hose. And it also helps prevent accidental misfueling, like putting diesel in a gas truck or vice versa. If you ever need to add fuel from a can, Ford includes a special funnel in the trunk or under the rear seat. Don't throw it away. Here's one that's a real knee saver in stop-and-go traffic or on steep hills: Ford's auto hold feature. When activated, usually with a button near the shifter, auto hold keeps the brakes applied after you come to a complete stop, even if you take your foot off the pedal. Tap the gas and you're off again. Especially handy for folks with knee or back issues, or anyone who's tired of holding the brake at every red light. Ford's newer models include a rear seat reminder system. If you open a rear door before starting your trip, the truck will chime and display a message when you turn off the engine, reminding you to check the back seat. It's a simple feature, but it's already saved lives by preventing kids, pets, or groceries from being forgotten in the back. Many Fords now come with a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot that can connect up to 10 devices. But here's the kicker: this same system allows your truck or SUV to receive remote software updates, just like your phone or computer. That means Ford can push out bug fixes, new features, and even performance improvements without you ever visiting the dealer. It's a feature that's easy to overlook, but it keeps your vehicle up to date and running its best. On some higher trim Fords, you'll find adaptive steering, a system that changes the steering ratio based on your speed. At low speeds, the wheel turns more for easier parking and tight maneuvers. At highway speeds, it tightens up for better stability and control. It's subtle, but once you get used to it, you'll notice how much more comfortable and confident your truck feels in every situation. Beyond just remote start, some Fords let you schedule remote starts in advance, so your truck is warmed up or cooled down before you even step outside. You can set this up through the Ford Pass app or the vehicle's touchscreen. It's perfect for those early mornings or hot afternoons, and it's a feature most owners never realize is available. Let's not forget a lifesaver that's hidden in plain sight. Ever had your key fob battery die at the worst possible time? You're out in the parking lot, maybe it's late, maybe it's cold, and the truck won't start. Most folks panic, call a tow, or start looking for a ride home. But here's the secret. Almost every modern Ford with push-button start has a hidden slot, usually in the center console, sometimes under the cup holder mat, or even inside the armrest. Drop your dead fob in that slot and the truck will recognize it and let you start up, even if the battery's stone dead. No need to call for help, no need to break a sweat. Now let's talk about something that'll save your backside on a hot summer day. Most Fords built in the last decade have a global window drop feature. You hold down the unlock button on your key fob, and all the windows roll down at once. Some models even pop the sunroof. Why does this matter? Well, if you've ever climbed into a truck that's been baking in the sun, you know how brutal that first blast of heat can be. With this trick, you can vent the whole cabin before you even open the door. It's not just about comfort either. Keeping the interior cooler helps your dash, seats, and electronics last longer. You've probably seen the little keypad on the driver's door of your Ford. Most people use it to unlock the door when they forget their keys. But that keypad can do a lot more. For starters, you can lock all the doors by pressing and holding the 7, 8, and 9, 0 buttons together. You can pop the tailgate on some models by entering your code and pressing 5, 6. And here's the kicker. You can program up to 5 personal codes, so your family or buddies can get in without needing a key or fob. Even better, on some Fords you can link those codes to memory seat and mirror positions. So if you and your wife both drive the truck, you can each have your own code and the seat and mirrors will adjust automatically when you unlock the door. That's a feature you'll never see in a commercial, but it's a game changer for daily life. Here's one that saved me a lot of wear and tear over the years. If you want to listen to the radio, roll down the windows, or use the power outlets without starting the engine, just press the start button without your foot on the brake. That puts the truck in accessory mode. Everything's powered up, the engine stays off. Why does this matter? Cold starts are when most engine wear happens. If you're just sitting in the driveway waiting for someone or setting up for a tailgate, there's no need to fire up the engine and add unnecessary hours. Over time, that's the kind of habit that keeps your engine running smoother longer. If you've ever tried to back up a trailer, especially a boat or camper, you know it can be a real test of patience. Ford's Pro Trailer Backup Assist is a feature that most owners never use, but it's built into a ton of F-150s and Super Duties. There's a little knob on the dash. You turn it in the direction you want the trailer to go, and the truck handles the steering. It's not just a gimmick. Once you calibrate it for your trailer, it makes backing up almost foolproof. There's even a practice mode so you can get the hang of it without a trailer attached. And here's another towing secret. Many Fords let you monitor trailer tire pressure and even check trailer light status right from the dash. No more walking around with a flashlight or guessing if your lights are working. These are the kinds of features that make real work easier, but they're buried in menus or only mentioned in the fine print. Ever had your Ford act up? Strange warning lights, weird shifting, or electronics that just won't behave? Before you head to the dealer, try a factory reset. On most Fords, you can disconnect the battery for 30 minutes, then reconnect and let the truck relearn. Or, for newer models, there's often a master reset option in the sync system menus. This clears out glitches, resets adaptive learning, and can fix a ton of issues without a single wrench turned. I've seen trucks towed in for major repairs that just needed a reset. It's not magic, but it's a tool every Ford owner should know. Here's one for the real tinkerers. Most Fords have hidden diagnostic menus you can access by holding certain buttons on the dash or steering wheel while turning the key to on. These menus let you check things like transmission temperature, battery voltage, and even run gauge sweeps to test your dash lights. It's not something you'll use every day, but if you ever want to check your truck's health before a long trip, or just see what's going on under the hood, it's a handy tool, and it's built right in. No scan tool required. If you've got a newer Ford, you can use your smartphone as a key. With the Ford Pass app, you can lock, unlock, start the engine, and even check your fuel level or tire pressure, all from your phone. You can also schedule remote starts, so your truck is warmed up or cooled down before you even step outside. It's not just a gimmick. For folks who live in hot or cold climates, or who share their truck with family, it's a real convenience. And it's all included. No subscription required for the basics. Ever parked in a tight garage or a crowded lot and worried about your mirrors getting bumped? Many Fords have auto-fold mirrors that tuck in when you lock the truck. Some models let you program this in the settings so it happens automatically every time. And here's a bonus. You can often adjust how long the headlights stay on after you lock the truck, or set the interior lights to fade out slowly. These little touches make your daily life easier and help your truck feel more yours. Last but not least, don't forget about the digital owner's manual and maintenance reminders built into your Ford's touchscreen. You can search for topics, watch how-to videos, and even set reminders for oil changes, tire rotations, and more. It's like having a personal mechanic riding shotgun, except you don't have to buy him lunch. And there you have it, 18 secret Ford functions that only about 1% of drivers ever use, but every owner should know. These aren't hacks or mods, they're real factory-built features that can make your truck or SUV easier to live with, more reliable, and a lot more fun. I'm RJ, and after 20 plus years working on Fords, I can tell you, it's the folks who learn these features, use them, and pay attention to the little things who end up with trucks that last 300,000, 400,000, even 500,000 miles. But for now, try out these secret functions. You might just find your Ford's been holding out on you all along.